हेलो एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम लोग बातें करेंगे टॉपिक रिलेशन बिटवीन अरिथमेटिक मीन, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन एंड हार्मोनिक मीन फ्रॉम द चैप्टर सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज। तो लिखते हैं हेडिंग रिलेशन बिटवीन AM stands for arithmetic mean, GM stands for geometric mean and HM stands for harmonic mean. So the statement is for A, B greater than 0, which means that we have two real numbers, two positive real numbers, A and B. We have AM is equals to A plus B upon 2. Arithmetic mean is equals to A plus B upon 2. Geometric mean will be under root of AB and the harmonic mean will be 2AB upon A plus B. All these things we have studied in previous lecture. So we have two relations. Number one is A is greater than equals to G is greater than equals to H, and number two is G square is equals to AH. Here A is our arithmetic mean, G is our geometric mean and H is our harmonic mean. यानी कि अगर दो पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स हमें दिए गए हैं A और B, तो arithmetic mean A plus B upon 2, geometric mean under root of AB, harmonic mean will be 2AB upon A plus B, and these two relation between the arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean, that arithmetic mean will be greater than or equal to G and geometric mean will be greater than or equal to harmonic mean and G square is equals to AH. We will prove this result one by one. Let's see the proof. In order to prove A is greater than or equals to G, let us calculate A minus G. Let us calculate A minus G, and this will be A plus B upon 2 minus under root of AB. Further, this could be rewritten as A plus B minus 2 times under root of AB upon 2. This will be root A whole square plus root B whole square minus 2 times root A root B upon 2. So further this can be rewritten as root A minus root B whole square upon 2, which is greater than or equals to 0, because this is the square of a real number and a square of a real number is greater than or equal to 0 always. So A minus G will be greater than or equals to 0, which means that A is greater than or equals to G, which is the first part of this relation. Please note it down. सेकेंड पार्ट का यदि हम लोग प्रूफ देखें, G is greater than or equals to H. So let us calculate G minus H. G minus H will be under root of AB minus 2AB upon A plus B. So let us take common under root of AB in both these terms. We will get 1 minus 2 times under root of AB upon A plus B. So this will be A under root of AB, A plus B minus 2 root AB upon. Again, this could be rewritten as ऐसा लिख सकते हैं हम लोग, पिछले पार्ट में जो हमने निकाला था A माइनस जी, उसी के रिजल्ट का थोड़ा सा यूज यहाँ पे हमने किया है. दिस अंडर रूट ऑफ AB A plus B minus 2 under root of AB. This can be further simplified to give us this. Now let us check this a plus b. Chunki a is positive, b is positive, which means that a plus b should be positive. This quantity should be positive, and this is also positive, and this will be greater than or equal to 0, which means that non-negative. So the whole quantity will be greater than or equal to 0, which means that g minus h or g is greater than or equals to h. So from these two parts, we can say that a is greater than or equals to g and g is greater than or equals to h. So the first relation is proved. Now let us move on to second relation. अगर इसकी हम लोग बात करें तो ये कुछ हमें दर्शाता है यहाँ पे जी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए एच. जी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए एच, और वी कैन से g into g equals to ah, which means that g by a equals to h by g. It means that a g h is in gp, is in gp. यानी कि एरिथमेटिक मीन, ज्योमेट्रिक मीन और हार्मोनिक मीन किसी भी दो पॉजिटिव नंबर्स के वो ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन में ही होते हैं, वही ये बताना चाह रहा है. अगर हम लोग प्रूफ की बात करें तो LHS में हमें दिख रहा है जी स्क्वायर विच विल बी अंडर रूट ऑफ ए बी होल स्क्वायर, एंड इन RHS वी हैव a into h. a will be a plus b upon 2 and h will be 2ab upon a plus b. This can be further simplified as ab. So LHS will be ab, RHS will be ab. So the second relation is proved as well. अब हम लोग कुछ नोट इस पे लिखते हैं एक दो और फिर क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Note, AM is greater than equal to GM is greater than equals to HM. Equality holds when A equals to B. यानी कि फॉर टू पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स A and B हम लोगों ने देखा कि AM is greater than equals to GM is greater than equals to HM. तो यहाँ पे इक्वलिटी जो है वो होल्ड करेगा जब दोनों ही नंबर्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे A और B. Now let us move on one result. Let us take two numbers x and 1 by x where x is positive. Apply AM is greater than equals to GM. हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे दो क्वांटिटीज को उठाया x और 1 by x where x is positive. Undoubtedly if x is positive then x is positive and 1 upon x is also positive. So we can apply AM is greater than equals to GM. So x plus 1 by x upon 2 is greater than equals to x into 1 by x under root. This will becomes 1. So from here we can see that x plus 1 by x is greater than equals to 2. So the result can be rewritten as x plus 1 upon x. This should be greater than equals to 2 whenever x is positive and when x is negative. So this will be less than minus 2. This is the result. Result number 1, result number 2. We can apply this concept in our upcoming question as well. One example. Find Find minimum value of tan square x plus cot square x. As we know, tan square x is greater than equals to 0 and cot square x is greater than equals to 0 as well. So we can apply AMGM concept, tan square x plus cot square x upon 2. This will be greater than equals to tan square x into cot square x under root, and this is further 1. So we can say tan square x plus cot square x is greater than equals to 2. कुछ और हम लोग क्वेश्चन देखेंगे इसमें. Find range of 1 upon sin square x plus 1 upon cos square x. Find range of 1 upon sin square x plus 1 upon cos square x. Solution. 1 upon sin square x can be rewritten as cosec square x and 1 upon cos square x can be rewritten as sec square x. फर्दर हम लोग यहाँ पे कुछ फॉर्मूला और लगा सकते हैं that 1 plus cot square x, 1 plus cot square x will be cosec square x and 1 plus tan square x will be sec square x. So 1 plus 1 2 plus tan square x plus cot square x. अब यहाँ पे ये क्वांटिटी आपका 2 या 2 से बड़ा है. अभी हमने वहाँ पे एग्जांपल में देखा था कि tan स्क्वायर x प्लस cot स्क्वायर x 2 या 2 से बड़ा होता है. तो 2 plus 2 4. So range will be 2 plus 2 4 to infinity. And this minima 4 will be occurred when tan square x equals to cot square x, which means that tan x equals to 1, x equals to pi by 4 पे. So the range of 1 upon sin square x plus 1 upon cos square x will be 4 to infinity. Next question. A, B, C, D positive real numbers. Given 4 positive real numbers A, B, C and D, let A, B, C, D equals to 1. Find minimum value of 1 plus A, 1 plus B, 1 plus C into 1 plus D. ट्राई करेंगे एक बार सब लोग. ए, बी, सी और डी चारों नंबर्स पॉजिटिव है. तो ऐसा करते हैं 1 प्लस ए हमने क्या किया कि दो क्वांटिटी लिया 1 और ए और उसमें हमने लगाया ए एम इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू जी एम. तो ये आपका हो जाएगा कुछ ऐसा 1 प्लस ए बाई 2 इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू रूट ए. राइट. Similarly 1 plus b is greater than equals to root b, 1 plus c by 2 is greater than equals to root c and 1 plus d upon 2 is greater than equals to root d. am is greater than equals to gm जो इनइक्वालिटी है उसका प्रयोग हमने 4 बार किया अलग अलग. इसको ऐसा करते हैं नंबर 1, नंबर 2, 3 और 4 कहते हैं इसे हम लोग. अब इस चारों इनइक्वालिटी को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. जब चारों इनइक्वालिटी को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो एलएचएस में कुछ आपको ऐसा दिख रहा होगा 1 प्लस ए, 1 प्लस बी, 1 प्लस सी, 1 प्लस डी अपॉन 2, 2, 2 and 2, 2 to the power 4. This will be greater than equals to under root of a, b, c, d. and the value of ABCD is 1 given in question. The value of ABCD is 1. So we can rewrite as is greater than equals to 2 to the power 4 into 1. So A plus 1, B plus 1, C plus 1 and D plus 1 is greater than equals to 16. So the minimum value of 1 plus A, 1 plus B, 1 plus C and 1 plus D ka minimum, this will be 16 because this quantity is greater than equals to 16. So the minimum value is 16. Hopefully you all understand. So thank you.